Queen. So today I'm going to be showing you my top wig, back to school, back to work, back to life. If you want to go back to school, back to work, wherever you're going, pop in at a cheap, affordable price, you need to watch this video. Okay, let's do it. Fabulous unit that I'm going to be showing you is perfect for back to school. When I go back to school, I am going to be rocking one of these, okay? So this unit is full of curls. Just look. I've got it in two colors. The first color, which I'm wearing right now, is $3.50. So this is like a brighter burgundy. Literally just cut the lace and put this unit on. I haven't brushed out these curls or anything, and it is literally so gorgeous. This is the parting space. I haven't added any concealer. Y'all, I haven't even laid no baby hairs. It's just gorgeous. So this is by Freetress Equal. Okay, the Shake and Go collection, and this is definitely a shake and go because I literally just put it on and I'm about to leave the house after I finish giving y'all this tea. It's like, it looked like I just came from the salon, you know what I'm saying? And I only spent a small amount of money. I didn't have to do a lot of maintenance. This is a great beginner wig. So this is a $3.50. I'm going to give you a $3.60 of this look, and then I'm going to show you my second color of this same poppin' back to school wig. Okay, the second color of the unit is a F1B/30. This is the same exact unit. Now this one I did pull the curls out some because I was playing around in it. Y'all probably saw that during my story time video. I was playing around in the unit and I was wearing this one. So this one is a lace front unit. It's got two combs, adjustable straps, and it looks like ear tabs. Okay guys, make sure that you guys enter my wig giveaway on Instagram. Make sure that you guys comment. Please comment. I need you to tell me which wig you like better. They're the same wig, two different colors. Perfect for cheap back to school style. You know what I'm saying, when you're trying to stunt. Okay, so please let me know which one you like better. F1B/30, or you can just say the darker color, or the burgundy, which was the $3.50. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.